Hey guys, welcome to my channel BachhalTech. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the toolbar in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. The way you pronounce it doesn't matter. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do right now is see I am looking for the crop option and I'm unable to find the crop option. So one thing you have to do is you have to drag this toolbar outside and then press X to close it. Okay, and then you go to Windows workspace and you go to reset option. There below is a reset 3D, a reset, and then see the crop was still not available. Then now that was the first option. The thing was that this is a 3D bar, not essential, the default one. So we go to the Windows and select the essential. Now we can find our all the options, the crop, whatever is available. Even if by mistake you remove couple of options, you can still reset now. You can reset the essential bar as well, same as like 3D I did before. See you in the next video. Have a good one.